Okay, so now the most complicated looking, not necessarily hard to use, but complicated looking area formula is the trapezoid. So that's going to be my two shapes here. If I want to find the area, I'm just going to apply the formula. So 1/2 base 1 plus base 2. We have to keep those in parentheses. It doesn't really matter what you call base 1 and base 2. So I'm going to call base 1 3, base 2 4. It doesn't matter, we're adding them together. Times the height, which in this problem is 5. And then we just have to remember PEMDAS. So parentheses, 3 plus 4 is going to give me 7. Then exponents, then multiplication. So from this step, I can type it all in. It's just not hard at all. I'm going to say 0.5 times 7 times 5 gives me an area of 17.5. Not hard. Second one's going to follow the same pattern. I have base 1, base 2, and height. I have everything I need. So area is 1/2. And then in parentheses, that's the only tricky part. You have to remember that. Plus 41 times the height. Simplify the parentheses first. 21 plus 41 is going to give me 62 times 18. And then I type that all in. 0.5 times 62 times 18. And I end up with an area of 558. Now, one thing people sometimes try to do is break this into 2 triangles and a rectangle. Problem is, we don't know how long, we don't necessarily know, we do know that length would be 21. We don't necessarily know that it cuts it equally because these little pieces could be different lengths and we don't know what those are. So just be careful that you don't try and split it into composite shapes.